Cloud Strategy Basics, aligning with IT and organizational goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos to stay updated with the latest insights in cloud strategy and IT alignment. Although we're sure you know what strategy is, I always like to start with a simple definition to make sure we're aligned and working from the same foundation. So, what is a strategy? Simply put, a strategy is a plan of action to achieve a specific goal. It's like a roadmap that helps guide us from where we are today to where we want to be. Imagine this as a path. At the starting point, we have a location icon. This represents the current state of the organization, our here and now. We'll mark it with a flag to show it's where we begin our journey. From here, a bold arrow leads us down the path, pointing us in the direction we need to go. Along the way, there are flags, each marking key milestones, the important steps we'll need to take as we move forward. And at the end of this path, there's a target icon. This is the ultimate destination, the goal we're aiming to reach. Now, as we look at the whole path from start to finish, we can see how strategy is more than just a plan. It's what guides our decisions to keep us on track. With this guidance, we stay focused on each step, never losing sight of the ultimate goal. Now let's explore what a cloud strategy is and how it drives real, measurable results for the business. In the center, we see a cloud icon. This represents our cloud strategy, the core plan guiding our use of cloud technology. Now let's break down each part of this strategy. We start with why move to the cloud. A bubble appears, listing examples like cost savings, scalability, and innovation. These are some of the main drivers behind the move: reducing costs, achieving the flexibility to scale as we grow, and enabling new forms of innovation. Next, we consider what to move. In this bubble, we see examples like applications, data, and infrastructure. Here we define the scope. Are we moving whole applications, sensitive data, or key infrastructure components? Deciding what to move allows us to prioritize and focus on areas with the greatest impact. Then, we look at how to move. This bubble shows examples such as public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, security, and migration approach. This part covers our approach, choosing the right models like public, private, or hybrid cloud, and making sure our security and migration plans are robust. Answering how ensures we're prepared to transition safely and smoothly. Now, we see a path emerging from the cloud icon, representing the plan, with flags along the way to show the milestones. With each of these questions answered, our cloud strategy forms a clear path, guiding every decision along the way until we reach our ultimate target. At the end of this path, we see a target icon representing the achievement of business outcomes. This cloud strategy connects to actual business outcomes, but it's important to remember that these outcomes are influenced by many factors, with cloud strategy as one of the key contributors. Here are some examples of the measurable outcomes we can achieve. Increase revenue by X% as cloud capabilities allow us to reach more customers faster. Reduce operational costs by Y% by decreasing IT infrastructure and maintenance expenses. Accelerate innovation cycle by X months as development and testing move faster in the cloud. Improve disaster recovery time by Y% by leveraging cloud-based disaster recovery. Increase scalability to handle X% more users without service interruptions. These examples show how our cloud strategy, combined with other efforts, translates into real business value. By aligning each decision along this path, we're not just planning for the cloud, we're setting a course for long-term success. Now, let's take a closer look at how alignment works between the cloud strategy, IT strategy, and organization strategy, and how this alignment ensures that all parts of the organization are moving in the right direction. In the center, we have the cloud strategy, the specific roadmap guiding our use of cloud technology. Moving outward, this aligns with the IT strategy, which encompasses all technology initiatives in the organization. Finally, surrounding both, we have the organization strategy, representing the high-level goals and vision that drive the business forward. From the cloud strategy, outward arrows flow to the IT strategy, showing how cloud goals support the broader technology objectives. Similarly, outward arrows from the IT strategy connect to the organization strategy, illustrating how technology aligns with the organization's overarching goals. Beyond these layers, we have external influences. factors like technology trends, economic conditions, regulatory requirements, and geopolitical issues. This outer circle surrounds the organization, with subtle dotted lines reaching inward, indicating how these external forces shape and guide the strategies without directly defining them. Now, let's see what happens when alignment breaks down. When a cloud strategy is developed outside of the IT and organization strategies, several issues can arise. Goal misalignment. Cloud initiatives may end up disconnected from core business objectives, limiting their impact. Wasted resources. Disjointed efforts often lead to duplicated work, wasting time, money, and talent. Inefficient cost management. Isolated cloud spending can spiral without clear ROI alignment. Team silos. Without alignment, collaboration across teams is reduced, stalling innovation and efficiency. Poor integration. Solutions may lack compatibility with existing systems, making future scaling and maintenance more difficult. By maintaining this layered alignment, from cloud to IT to organization strategy, and considering the impact of external influences, every layer of strategy works together, setting the course for meaningful, unified progress toward our organization's goals. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we'll be diving deeper into cloud strategy, exploring the specifics of how to build a detailed, effective strategy step by step. We'll guide you through each phase to help ensure your cloud strategy is aligned, comprehensive, and ready to drive real value. So stay tuned.